Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to remove KineMaster watermark and install KineMaster Prime version. First of all, remove or uninstall your KineMaster from your device. Open your Google and write kinemastermod.gibbon.com. And select Download KineMaster Pro Fully Mod Unlocked APK 2019. Go to Download and press Download button.
Install it and allow KineMaster app to access your device.
Now import any video from your device. Now you can see watermark is gone. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.